For months now, Ricky and I have been teaching an online course called Niche Site School, and it's helped hundreds of people to start successful passive income websites. But today I'm announcing that Niche Site School is no more. For the last couple months, we've been working on something completely new and fantastically improved, and it's called Project 24, and we're launching it with an upcoming webinar. So Project 24 means 24 months. It means you're working to replace your current income level with money from passive income websites in 24 months. It's what I did and what Ricky and I help other people to do. If you can get anything from this video, it's my encouragement to please register for a Project 24 webinar. It's completely free. In that webinar, we're going to show you our exact game plan to go from nothing, just starting out, no traffic to a website, to creating your first website, making it look beautiful and helpful, something you're going to be proud of, and then getting traffic to it, and then monetizing that traffic with ads, affiliate deals, info products, or whatever you want to create. I know Project 24 can change your life, and that webinar is the starting place. So register for that webinar below. In 2008, I was a law student. I moved from Idaho to Florida with my wife and my little 1-month-old son. And when we got there, we had just enough money to make it until law school started. Picked up my family from the airport, and we were excited, driving down Goodlette Frank Road, looking at the palm trees. And then, yeah, you guessed it, the car literally coasted. It was like in a movie. The car just coasted into Gulf Coast Transmission on Goodlette Frank Road. Our car was dead. We were out of money. We stayed in a hotel for a few weeks, and I said, it's time for a change. I worked nights at the dollar store, just changing my time for money, punching in. I hated it. And in fact, I hated it so much that I needed some kind of distraction. And so I started listening to podcasts on a little iPod Shuffle. That's where I started learning about internet business. And so I created my first website a year later, improvephotography.com. That website has earned multiple millions of dollars since. But it started with me on a little netbook while I was extremely busy working a job and a full-time law student. But every time I had just a little extra hour, I would just write a blog post. I didn't know any of the silver bullet tricks or any of the expensive products for keyword research or anything to buy. I was just trying to make the most helpful website that I could. And fortunately, it was enough that it started to get a little traffic. There was a little map on the website, and you could just see a little bing, a little dot pop up all around the world when somebody would come to visit my website. And sometimes I'd sit there for 20 minutes just waiting for the little light to appear. It was just captivating, incredible that I could do that. The most fun thing that I'd ever seen. As hundreds and thousands and then millions of people started to come to my website. And then toward the end of law school, I decided, what if I were to sell a product on that website? What if I were to make a little course on the basics of photography? And I teased it for a couple weeks, and I put it out there. I pressed the refresh button, and like 20 seconds later, there was a slew of orders in there. And then 48 seconds after I had pressed the launch button, it had completely sold out. I'd made $10,000 in 48 seconds. It was incredible, and I had work to do. I had to teach the people that course, and by the time I graduated from law school, I sent this email to a great judge who had offered me a job, and I said, 24 months ago, I started this project to build an online website, and it worked. I'm going full-time, and I'm not going to practice law. I continued to build the website. I got employees, and I started writing more and more articles, and we started a podcast and a YouTube channel and all different things to just blow this up. And the income just continued to climb to $20,000 and $30,000 and $40,000 a month. But I was totally self-taught. I didn't know what was going to work and what was changing in the industry. And all of a sudden, I started to notice that there were some changes. I had relied way too much on Facebook. And suddenly I would make a post and it wasn't going out to my audience anymore. I had relied on somebody else. And all of a sudden the income was diving and diving fast. And I had to walk in the office and let my staff go. And it was the worst day of my life. In fact, the day that happened, I was walking out the door and I kind of took a selfie just because I just had this feeling like someday you're going to look back on this and you're going to say, yeah, that was a low day and I got past it. And so I went back in day after day alone in that office space and I said, I'm going to figure something out. A way that I don't have to rely on others or silver bullet tricks or anything else, just to create a website so helpful that it will get people there and who will want to eventually buy my products. So I did it. And that website absolutely hit the stratosphere not very long after that, as I was able to implement these techniques that really worked. And then I said, what if I could make a recipe, something that I could follow to create other websites to follow this same pattern, reliable ways to get traffic and monetize it. I made another website and another website and another, and I've developed a recipe to make successful websites to get that traffic and monetize it in a very passive way and in a way that works. That's what Project 24 is about. Maybe you've been burned before with online courses and webinars of people teaching this or that silver bullet technique that works for that month. Well, this is a way with no link building whatsoever and almost no social media that has worked for us consistently over time. That's what we want to share with you in a Project 24 webinar. So click the webinar below and start your journey.